Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a May flip through and June plan with me. If you have not watched my May setup video, click above right now to go watch. Yep. As you can see, habit tracker didn't really do much there and didn't fill out my budget tracker either. Shit happens, right? First week, not really that much filled out. Same thing with the second week. I noticed that I wasn't using a lot of space. The third and fourth week of May, things kind of ramped up. So as you can see, I used a lot of space on the page. So for June, I'm definitely changing up that layout. And I left this last page blank. And we're in June. Let's get started. So what I did here for this section, I simply went into Google and typed in June summer and went to the images section and just found some really cool printouts like the Hello Summer pineapple that I have pasted on the left hand side, and then just some like fun summery stuff. So like things that remind you of summer. So like pineapple, ice cream, watermelon, and I have a umbrella at the bottom that's supposed to be like in sand on the beach and a little seashell. So what I did was I printed that out just on regular copy paper in black and white, and then I put it under my bullet journal page and just traced it that way, and it came out pretty well. For my budget tracker page here, I put a little coconut. That's what that's supposed to be, and I'm changing up the layout of my budget tracker somewhat. If you saw from my May flip through, I just had like 3 columns, and I didn't really use that much, so now I'm breaking it down to monthly expenses, my income, and my spending goals for the month. Decided to change up my habit tracker for this month as well. Last month I was only tracking healthy eating and fitness, whether I worked out for the day. This month I'm doing a different style of habit tracker, and I've added a couple more. So this month I'm tracking fitness, my water intake, if I completed 10,000 steps or more for the day, and my Fitbit will let me know if I achieve that goal, and no junk. So I am trying to stop eating a lot of junk food or like mindless snacking on M&Ms and candy. So let's see how well I do with that goal this month. And that's all she wrote, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell to get notifications. I'm gonna try to put some more videos out for you guys in a timely manner. Thanks for watching. Bye.